Your ride's about to get one hell of an upgrade. These Amazon car gadgets ain't just flashy little accessories. They're straight up badass add-ons that make every drive feel smarter, tougher, and a whole lot more fun. We're talking crazy tech, road trip game changers, and clever gear you'll be wondering how the hell you ever drove without. Some of these feel futuristic as all get out. So, fire it up, stomp the gas, and let's check out the coolest car gadgets on Amazon right now. Links are down below. Starting the lineup with something practical, this 9-in-1 cigarette lighter splitter expands a single car outlet into multiple power sources for everyday driving. It usually includes USB ports, Type-C charging, and additional DC outlets with independent power switches for each section. The high 210-watt output makes it useful for powering dash cams, portable refrigerators, air pumps, phones, tablets, and navigation devices simultaneously. Next up is this adjustable car headrest tablet holder, designed to keep passengers comfortable during long trips. It securely attaches between the front seat headrests and supports tablets, smartphones, and devices like iPads or Galaxy Tabs. The rotating arm allows full angle adjustment for better viewing, while reducing neck strain during movies or gaming sessions. Most versions include extendable arms for different seat widths and anti-slip grips to keep devices stable on rough roads, making it especially useful for family road trips and backseat entertainment setups. Moving on, this heads-up display adds real-time driving information directly onto your windshield for easier visibility while driving. It connects through the car's OBD system and can display speed, RPM, fuel consumption, voltage, navigation directions, and warning alerts without requiring you to look down repeatedly at the dashboard. Many models automatically adjust brightness depending on daytime or nighttime driving conditions for better visibility. The compact design works well in older vehicles and adds a modern, tech-focused driving experience while helping reduce distractions on busy roads. Now, keeping things useful, this car laptop mount creates a stable workspace directly inside your vehicle for work, meals, or entertainment. It mounts securely near the steering wheel or passenger seat area and supports laptops, tablets, notebooks, and food trays comfortably. Most versions include adjustable height, rotation, and angle positioning for better ergonomics while sitting inside the car. The foldable structure helps save interior space when not in use, making it especially practical for rideshare drivers, delivery workers, mobile professionals, or travelers working remotely during trips. Continuing on, this 4K dashcam designed to capture highly detailed video footage while driving day or night. The ultra-high resolution helps record license plates, road signs, traffic incidents, and surrounding vehicles much more clearly than standard dash cameras. Most models include loop recording, collision detection, parking surveillance, wide-angle lenses, and night vision support for continuous protection. Now, this foldable portable air mattress transforms your back seat into a temporary sleeping area for travel and camping. It inflates quickly and fills the rear seat gap to create a flatter and more supportive resting surface inside the car. Many versions include separate air chambers for adjustable firmness, along with inflatable support pillows and side cushions for added comfort. The mattress folds compactly after deflation, making storage simple during regular driving. It's especially useful for road trips, camping adventures, emergency rest stops, or overnight travel situations. Coming up next with this foldable cordless washer that works like a portable pressure washer without needing constant access to electricity or hoses. It runs on a rechargeable battery and usually includes multiple spray modes through a 5-in-1 adjustable nozzle for different cleaning tasks. The LCD display helps monitor battery level and pressure settings while cleaning vehicles, bikes, windows, outdoor furniture, or camping equipment. Its compact, foldable design makes storage easier inside the trunk, making it convenient for travel, outdoor activities, and quick vehicle cleaning anywhere. Heading forward, this Windshield sunshade umbrella designed to reduce interior heat buildup during hot weather. Unlike traditional folding shades, this version opens and closes like a regular umbrella for much faster setup and storage. The reflective material blocks sunlight and UV rays to help protect dashboards, steering wheels, leather seats, and touchscreens from heat damage and fading over time. Most versions include reinforced frames for durability and compact folding designs that fit easily inside door pockets, seat organizers, or center consoles without taking up much space. Moving into smart technology, this wireless CarPlay screen upgrades older vehicles with modern infotainment features without replacing the factory stereo. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth calling, music streaming, GPS navigation, and often includes a backup camera plus built-in 4K dash cam support. Most systems mount directly onto the dashboard and connect quickly through Bluetooth or AUX input for easy installation. The touchscreen interface improves navigation and media access significantly, while giving older cars a much more advanced and connected driving experience overall. Continuing on, this rooftop cargo carrier adds extra waterproof storage space for luggage, camping equipment, sports gear, and oversized travel items. The heavy-duty material helps protect belongings from rain, dust, and road debris during long-distance trips or outdoor adventures. Most kits include reinforced straps and secure hooks for stable mounting on cars, SUVs, or trucks with roof racks. When not being used, the carrier folds down compactly for easy storage inside the trunk or garage, making it a practical alternative to permanent rooftop storage boxes. And if you want to check out any of these car gadgets, every single link is waiting right down in the description below. Moving on with convenience, this wireless magnetic charging phone mount keeps your device secure while charging during driving. The strong magnetic alignment helps hold phones firmly in place, even on rough roads or sudden turns, while the wireless charging feature reduces cable clutter around the dashboard. Most versions support fast charging and adjustable viewing angles for easier navigation access while driving. The suction mount usually attaches securely to dashboards or windshields, making it useful for hands-free calling, GPS navigation, music control, and everyday commuting convenience. Next up is this electric car jack kit, designed to make emergency tire changes much faster and less physically demanding. It plugs directly into your car's power outlet and automatically lifts the vehicle with minimal manual effort. Most kits also include an electric impact wrench, built-in LED lighting, safety gloves, and compact storage cases for roadside emergencies. The stable lifting platform works well for cars, SUVs, and small trucks, making it especially useful during nighttime breakdowns, long-distance travel, or situations where traditional manual jacks become difficult to use safely. Now, let's talk about this window breaker and seatbelt cutter. It is a compact emergency tool designed for quick escape during accidents or emergencies. The hardened steel tip can shatter side windows quickly if doors become jammed underwater or after collisions, while the concealed blade cuts through stuck seatbelts safely without injuring passengers. Most versions are compact enough to fit inside door pockets, center consoles, or glove boxes for quick access. It's a small but extremely important emergency accessory that adds an extra layer of vehicle safety preparedness. Keeping things cooler, this 360-degree rotatable headrest car fan improves airflow for rear passengers during hot weather. It mounts directly onto the back of front seat headrests and uses adjustable dual fans to circulate air more evenly throughout the cabin. Most models support multiple speed settings and full rotation for directing airflow exactly where needed. It's especially useful in vehicles where rear air conditioning vents are weak or unavailable. The compact design helps improve passenger comfort during long drives, summer traffic, or road trips in warmer climates. Now, let's talk about this backseat extender for dogs designed to create a larger and safer travel area for pets inside the car. The hard bottom platform covers the rear footwell gap, giving dogs more stable space to sit, stand, or lie down comfortably during travel. It also helps protect seats from scratches, dirt, pet hair, and accidental spills. Most versions include waterproof materials, storage pockets, and safety belt openings for pet harnesses. It's especially useful for SUVs, trucks, and longer trips where pet comfort becomes important. Moving on. This cooling car seat cushion helps reduce heat buildup and discomfort during hot weather they're driving. It connects through the car's 12-volt outlet and uses built-in ventilation fans to circulate cool air through the cushion surface while sitting. Most versions include adjustable fan speeds and breathable mesh materials for better airflow and reduced sweating during long drives. The universal fit works with most car seats, SUVs, and trucks without complicated installation. It's especially useful for summer commuting, road trips, or vehicles with dark leather interiors that retain heat easily. Now this portable car refrigerator adds real cooling and freezing capability directly inside your vehicle for travel and outdoor use. Unlike regular coolers that rely on ice, this compressor-powered unit actively maintains low temperatures for drinks, snacks, frozen food, or medicine storage during road trips and camping. Most models support both cooling and freezing modes with digital temperature controls and 12-volt vehicle compatibility. The compact design fits easily inside trunks or back seats, making it extremely useful for long-distance travel, outdoor adventures, and extended driving situations. Coming up next with this 4-in-1 handheld cordless car vacuum designed for fast interior cleaning without bulky equipment. It usually combines vacuuming, air blowing, inflating, and dust cleaning functions into one compact rechargeable device. The cordless design makes it easier to clean tight areas like cup holders, seats, vents, floor mats, and trunk corners without dealing with tangled wires. Most versions include interchangeable nozzles, washable filters, and strong suction power for removing crumbs, dust, pet hair, and everyday dirt from vehicle interiors efficiently. Keeping your storage space organized, this collapsible car trunk organizer helps prevent groceries, tools, emergency kits, and travel gear from sliding around while driving. It usually includes multiple compartments, reinforced walls, side pockets, and adjustable dividers for separating different items neatly inside the trunk area. Many versions also feature non-slip bottoms and carrying handles for easier transport outside the vehicle. When not needed, the organizer folds flat to save space. It's a simple but highly practical upgrade for maintaining cleaner and more organized vehicle storage daily. And finally, last but not least, this windshield cleaner tool makes cleaning hard-to-reach interior glass surfaces dramatically easier. The extendable handle, combined with pivoting cleaning heads, helps reach deep windshield corners without awkward stretching inside the car. Most kits include reusable microfiber pads that remove dust, fingerprints, fog buildup, and streaks more effectively than regular towels. It's especially useful for improving visibility during rainy weather, nighttime driving, or winter conditions where interior windshield haze becomes distracting. So yeah, that wraps up some of the coolest and most useful car gadgets you can grab on Amazon right now. If you found a favorite, check the links down below and let me know which gadget surprised you the most. And if you want to see more smart car finds and Amazon gadgets like these, make sure to subscribe because there are plenty more coming soon.